Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into an in-depth review of the Nokia X200 Pro 5G, Nokia's latest flagship device. This smartphone promises to combine cutting-edge technology with Nokia's renowned build quality. So let's explore the features, performance and overall user experience of this new exciting device. So an overview of the Nokia X200 Pro 5G. The Nokia X200 Pro 5G features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 refresh rate, offering a vibrant colors and smooth interactions, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. It delivers a top-notch performance and efficiency for multitasking and gaming. The advanced quad camera setup, led by the 108 megapixel primary sensor, ensures breathtaking photos and videos. Performance and battery life. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the Nokia X200 Pro 5G stands out with its unmatched performance for gaming, multitasking and productivity tasks. The chipset AI enhancement optimizes app performance and overall user experience, while the 5000 mAh battery ensures extended usage throughout the day. Fast charging and wireless charging capabilities make it convenient on the go. Let's talk about the camera setup. The quad camera setup on the Nokia X200 Pro 5G is designed to cater to photography enthusiasts. The 108 megapixel primary sensor captures stunning detail and vibrant colors. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscape and group shots. The 8 megapixel telephoto lens offers 3 times optical zoom for crisp close-ups. And last but not least, we have the 5 megapixel macro lens, ideal for detailed close-up photography. And there are also advanced features like night mode, pro mode and 8K video recording, ensuring that you can capture every moment with precision and clarity. Connectivity and 5G. The Nokia X200 Pro 5G supports the latest 5G technology, ensuring lightning-fast download and upload speeds. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, you get the best connectivity options available, making it future-proof and ideal for high-speed data transfer and low-latency streaming. Storage and memory. With options for 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of internal storage, paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, the Nokia X200 Pro 5G provides ample space for all of your apps, photos and videos. Expandable storage via micro SD card ensures you will never run out of space. Now let's talk about design and build quality. Nokia's craftsmanship shines through with the X200 Pro 5G's sleek edge-to-edge design, with it's complemented by a durable Gorilla Glass Victus front and back and an aluminum frame available in range of colors. The device not only looks premium but also feels robust and reliable. Now let's talk about software and user experience. Running on Android 14, the Nokia X200 Pro 5G offers a clean and intuitive user interface with minimal bloatware. Nokia's promise of 3 years of Android updates ensures your device stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. And last but not least, let's talk about security. The Nokia X200 Pro 5G features an under-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition, providing secure and convenient ways to unlock your device. Nokia's commitment to regular security updates ensures your data remains safe. In conclusion, the Nokia X200 Pro 5G represents the pinnacle of mobile innovation. And well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. See you next time.